After 3 years closed to the world, China is about to open up. But new travel freedoms have sparked new COVID fears, and England has become the latest to introduce pre-departure COVID tests for those coming from the region. It's a swift change in approach after days of ministers suggesting new measures may not be necessary, despite a surge in the country's COVID cases. This was the health minister just yesterday.
There's no evidence at this point of a new variant from China, a variant that is not already prevalent here in the UK, but nevertheless we're keeping the situation very much under review.
The shift brings the UK into line with the US, Japan, India, Spain, Italy and others, and follows days of meetings between ministers and health officials. But it's about much more than just public health. Number 10 say it's also about the lack of reliable COVID data coming from Beijing.
I think that there is possibly an element of putting pressure on the Chinese to get better data and then to release it. But there is also the point that there are a large number of infections in China and we don't really know what's causing them.
A global diplomatic rebuke for President Xi, who has already faced a domestic backlash over his zero COVID policy. And with more countries considering testing arrivals from China, it looks like a global backlash is building as well. Liz Bates, Sky News, Westminster.